Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an activation key for Tally ERP 9. We will begin by understanding the various license types and necessary preparations. Next, we will walk through the straightforward online activation process. Finally, we will cover how to activate your license without an internet connection and where to find support. This guide aims to make your Tally ERP 9 setup simple and efficient. Tally ERP 9 provides two main license types: a single-user license for one computer and a multi-user license for several systems on a local area network. Before starting, ensure you have your unique serial number and the corresponding activation key ready. For online activation, a reliable internet connection is absolutely necessary. Also, confirm your system meets Tally's specified hardware and software requirements for optimal performance. To activate your Tally ERP 9 online, first open the software and choose the Activate License option from the startup screen. You will then be prompted to enter your unique 20-digit serial number and the activation key you received. It is also important to provide a valid administrator email address for license management and communication. After confirming all details, click to proceed, and Tally will connect to its servers to activate your license. If you lack an internet connection on your Tally ERP 9 machine, you can perform an offline activation. This involves generating a license request file from your Tally installation. Then, transfer this file to another computer with internet access, upload it to the Tally website, and download the resulting license file. Finally, apply this downloaded file back to your Tally ERP 9. For any difficulties, Tally Solutions customer support is available to help you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.